Chapter 3 – Account History Closed Trades. In this tutorial, we will explain to you the second step for managing your trades, as well as how to monitor closed trades. All your closed trades are listed in the Terminal Window section and the Account History tab. By right-clicking on this section, you will see a drop-down menu that helps you to organize this particular section of MT4. From the drop-down menu, you can select any of the four options at the top to view a certain time frame. At the bottom of the drop-down menu, you can adjust the columns that display your closed trades. The most important feature of this tab panel is the ability to generate reports. In this way, you can generate a detailed report of a specific time frame and save it in a separate folder on your desktop. The report consists of three basic sections. In the Closed Transactions section, you have an overview of all the trades closed for a certain, daily or monthly, period of time. The Open Trades section displays all the positions which were active at the time when the report was generated. The third section is called Working Orders, and it shows all the pending orders which have been placed and have not expired yet. You will learn more details about pending orders in another tutorial session. At the bottom of the report page, you can see the summary of your account statistics, such as deposits and withdrawals performed in a certain period of time, the profit and loss of closed trades, abbreviated as PL, as well as the floating profit and loss of your active trades. Next, you can see your account's equity, which is calculated with a special formula: balance plus or minus profit-loss plus possible credit bonus. Next, you can see the margin and free margin. Thank you for watching.